Google quietly upgraded Gemini, and now we have one more feature that makes it even more powerful. And this is going to be a game changer in 2026 and upcoming time. I'm talking about gems, and gems are custom AI experts that can help you on any topic. You can create any new gem just by prompting, or you can use any existing gems which are created by others and take benefit of it. Let me move to my screen so I can explain you further. But before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And here we are on the Gemini interface. To access gems, simply go to your sidebar and click on this gems option here. When you click, this is the new view you will be having, and there are these options here. These are gems, they are called gems. You can use any of this custom coded gem and you can remix it. That means you can make your own version of it, or you can even create your new gem which is custom made by you. We'll get there in a second, but let's use any of this gem and start with it. When I click on it, this is what we get. Like, there is this prompt attached here, and there are certain steps which are involved, and here is the interface of this app. So this is basically an application where we can interact. You can edit the steps just by asking the prompt, but let's see what this does first. So I'm just gonna click on start one, and this is where it asks me for the YouTube URL. And let me just simply go here and let me paste it here. So as soon as I entered the URL, it started working on the next steps. It is at the final step, which is display report. And there you go, we have this learning with YouTube remix here, and YouTube learning report is here. This is original video, it is not displayed here. Let me just maximize this. Educational content analysis, main topic in practical, an introduction and practical guide to Google's notebook ML. Yep, that's right, that's my video. These are key learning points here. Overall education relevance. Then we get this quiz. Like, first we get this summary here. This concept is good, but it should have been great if there was an actual quiz going on there. That could have been the best uh, possible outcome for this. But anyways, this is just the beginning, and it's definitely gonna get better. So just waiting for the better version to come up. Now let's explore some more gems here. I'm gonna test this recipe genie. I'll remix it, and let's start with it. So I'm just having nano banana in my mind. I'm gonna enter banana and milk. These are like basic ingredients that I'm having in my mind based on banana. So I'll just hit enter and let's see what it generates for us. Okay, so now we have our final generations of recipe ready. We got this two here. There are quick description, their ingredients, and instructions of preparing them. Not bad actually. Considering it is done in a few seconds, it's really good, and this is just getting started. So we made a remix of this gem here. Now let's try creating our own gem. For that, you can simply go to this new gem button, click on it, and it will open up this prompt writer for you. It's basically Gemini interface, so you can just write your prompt. You don't even have to code anything, just everything happens through prompts now. Okay, so I'm going to build this gem here. It's a blog post to viral YouTube video script generator, and let's hit enter and see what it creates. So these gems are basically mini apps which are powered by AI, and let's see what it creates. It is defining the steps for us, and then let's wait for the generation part. And there you go, we have our viral script writer ready straight here. So you can just check the details here. It will be asking the blog post link. It will generate YouTube video script and visuals, extract video instructions, and generate video clip, and render video script and clip. Here I don't want to generate video clip here, so I just need the video script, not the clip. So I can simply write here, remove the video. Okay, so I want to do this modification. I don't need video clip generation here. I just need the YouTube video script, and that's the instruction I provided. I'll hit enter and it will modify the steps once again. So let's wait for that generation, and this is what we are getting. Now, like, this mini app can be edited using Gemini. You just ask it and it will do the work for you. Now this is what happens, like, mostly sometimes things fail, so you just need to start again. Let's start here, and this time I'm entering the URL. Let's hit enter and let's see what it creates for us. While this is in generation, if you need pro version of Gemini, this is the video you should check. I'll attach its link in the description as well. It's 18 months of Gemini Pro for free. You don't even have to add your card details there. So make sure to check that video out. Back to the video. Okay, so this is what we got here. YouTube video, script and visuals. It has master your money, 14 timeless financial rules you cannot ignore. Great title there. Then it has video intro, and just for your info, by the way, this is the blog I had, which has 14 pointers here, and this is my blog post back in 2020, and this is what it created, a final video script out of it. This is like rule 1, its explanation and its visuals, rule 2, rule 3, and it goes on till the end. So it even adds conclusion and CTA and its final visual suggestions. So this was a quick overview of gems. I will be creating a detailed video on different use cases of gems and how to go into advanced mode and create advanced level mini applications using Gemini. For that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.